Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to show you, or rather I'm going to show you the trick to find square of any number which has a decimal in it. Okay, so basically squares of decimal numbers. So please understand, the trick is super simple. You don't have to worry at all. If we had to find square of 0.29, so first what we should do is, we will not be considered about the decimal. We'll first take this as nothing but 29. We'll try to find the square of 29, and square of 29 is nothing but what? First we take the square of 9, which is 1, and 8, which is left over, we'll write here. Okay, now we'll multiply all the three numbers over here. So 2 into 9 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36, 36 plus 8 gets you 44. So we'll cancel this 8 and we'll write 4 ahead. Okay, and then square of 2, which is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so your answer now for 29 square is 841. But you need to find the answer of 0.29. Okay, so please understand, what should be the answer is nothing but, you need to have 4 digits after the decimal point. So your answer will have 841 for sure, but you need 4 digits, so you will put one more 0 over here. So the answer for square of 0.29 is nothing but 0.841. If you want, you can check it in your Galaxy. That is the answer which we got while inputting 0.29 into 0.29. Okay, so now students, there is a proper logic why I have put, or rather why I have put the decimal point. After that I have put 4 digits. The reason for that is basically, see, understand, if I had to take, if I convert this into a proper fraction, I get what? 29 upon 100 the whole square. So whatever is my answer, the square of 29 is nothing but what? 841. Okay, that will get divided by what? Square of 100, which will be 10,000. So now when this get converted into decimal, we get nothing but this value. So I hope you understood what is the logic behind it. But now there is a trick to understand, or there is a trick to remember. What you have to do is, whenever you want to take a square of a decimal number, then in that case what you should do is, you should put your decimal point in your answer by doubling the digits which are coming after the decimal point in your question. So here we had how many digits? 2 digits. So your double of 2 is what? 4. So you need 4 digits after your decimal point in your final answer. Okay, students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, so now very quickly let's try to find 4.2 the whole square. What should be the answer? So 42 square, first we'll find out. The square of 2 is 4, and then because we are used to writing all the answers in 2 digits, so the carry over here is 0, 0, 4 we'll write out. Then we'll multiply all of these. So 4 into 2 into 2 is 16, so 1 is getting carried, and 4 square is 16, 16 plus 1 gets you 17. So your answer now becomes 1764. But because we want the square of 4.2, your answer will have how many digits after a decimal point? 2, because here we just had 1 digit. Okay, so here the answer will be 17.64. Now very quickly, please understand, 4.20 or 00, here it cannot be taken as after a decimal point we have 3 digits. No, because the zeros are not counted. Okay, this is very, very important to remember. Okay, whenever you have a decimal number which has got end which is ending in 2 zeros or 3 zeros or 4 zeros, then all of those all of those zeros are not counted. This is basically same as 4.2. okay, so this is one thing which I want you all to remember while using this particular trick. Okay, now very quickly let's try to find out 0.045 the whole square, or rather, since everything is in form, okay, so let's take 65. Okay, Now again we'll take this, we'll first find square of 65. Now any number ending in 5, this is a trick which I've explained n number of times on my channel, but for those who are new, any number who is ending in 5, the final answer will have last two digits as 25, and the first two digits will be what? 6 multiplied by the number which comes after 6, which is 7. So 6 into 7 gets you 42. Okay, so your answer for 65 square is 4225. Now the answer for 0.065 square will again have 4225. But how many digits do I need after the decimal point? Yes, you all guessed it right. We need 6 digits, because here there are 3 digits, so square of that, or the double of 3 digits, is going to get you 6 digits. So here you will put 0.004225. I hope you all are getting how to find square of a decimal number in matter of seconds, because now this is going to be super simple. Okay, for those of you all who are finding it difficult to find square of normal numbers, I have made a separate video on that. The link of that will be available on top. You can please go ahead and check it out. Okay, so now over here let's try one more with a 3 digit. Okay, so 1.18, if that is the square I'm looking for. So basically I'm looking for 118 the whole square. Okay, and here 118 can be split into what? 11 and 8. Okay, so first we'll take square of 8, which is 4, and 6 will be carry. Okay, multiply all three numbers. So 11 into 2 is going to be 22. 22 into 8 is going to get you 176. Okay, 176 plus 6 gets you how much? 182. So 2 and 18 gets carried. Now square of 11 is 121. So when you add 121 with 18, you get what? 9, 3 and 1. Okay, so basically the square of 118 is nothing but 13924. But here, okay, I cannot write it over here, but we need to find the square of 1.18, the whole square. So here we need to put the decimal point after how many digits? 4 digits, because the question has 2 digits after the decimal point. So here the answer is 1.3924. That is my final answer to the square of 1.18. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding. If you want, we can definitely check this out with the help of Calci. So 1.18 into 1.18. So see, the answer is 1.3924, which is matching with the answer given in our workings. Okay, so now time for your DIY. I want you all to tell me what will be the square of 3.2 the whole square. Okay, do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.